What if you could create a digital product in under 10 minutes and have it sell over and over again? Most people think creating products takes time, design skills, or experience, but with AI, it's much faster. You can create simple, useful products quickly. A simple daily planner. Tasks, priorities, schedule, high demand. Easy to create. People love simple checklists. Examples: cleaning checklist, startup checklist, moving checklist. Simple equals effective. Track. Workouts, habits, routines. These are extremely popular. Finance tools always sell. Basic. Income, expenses, savings. Perfect for creators, businesses. Helps organize posting. Simple routines. Beginner workouts, home workouts, short PDFs like how to start ____. Beginner guide to ____. Use AI to generate content, structure the product, then format it simply and upload. Don't overcomplicate. Simple products sell better than complex ones. If you want a full list of digital product ideas and how to sell them, I put everything into a free guide. It's linked in the description.